Hi, my name is Kathleen Lisson. I'm a certified lymphedema therapist and board certified massage therapist. I have a practice in San Diego, California, and I actually help people after plastic surgery like liposuction, Brazilian butt lifts, facelifts, and tummy tucks to reduce swelling and fibrosis. And I want to talk to my fellow lymphatic massage therapists today about a very exciting social media platform that I'm sure you've heard of in the past couple months, but maybe you're not actually on it because you're not sure if it can really help you with your business. So it's called TikTok, and you can see from my phone here, I'm on TikTok. I've been on for about 6 to 9 months now, and at first it was very slow, but what I've really seen over the past 2 months that we've all been staying at home, TikTok has really blossomed, and it's worked its way from, it was formerly Musical.ly, and it was for pre-teenagers, and there was a lot of dancing and singing and songs, but now TikTok is really a short format video app, and everyone from across the board, ages, professions, everyone seems to be on it. So this is where our clients are at. And if you are a lymphatic massage therapist, I'm really excited to share this information with you because we serve the same clientele. And I guarantee you the people are on the app, and when they find you, they're going to follow your content. They're going to ask you surgery questions. I've definitely got more than just a handful of clients from TikTok, and I have people calling, or I have people texting me on the app or texting me on my Instagram platform and asking me more information about surgery and recovery. So that kind of leads into the second point, which is not only are your clients on TikTok, but this is a great way to get organic growth for Instagram. So what I've seen is the client will follow me on TikTok. They'll be interested in what I'm saying about surgery recovery, and then they'll go and follow my Instagram. And I can tell you I've had Instagram for far longer. I've posted every day, almost faithfully on Instagram. I do not have the organic reach that I do when I get on TikTok. I'll routinely have a video will get at least 1,000 views. It really doesn't matter what I put out, different hashtags. Always it seems like 1,000, and I've even had videos up to 500,000 views and 1 million views. So definitely the eyeballs are there on TikTok, and they also have an Instagram account, and they're also going to follow you on your Instagram account. So I have for you a free class on TikTok, and I'll put it in the link below. So take the free online class, learn more about how specifically as a lymphatic massage therapist you can use this video app to help you increase your customers, increase trust with your clients, increase your social media reach. And that's the one extra tip that I'll give you is it increases social media reach too. You can connect it so your TikTok will be on your Instagram stories and your Facebook stories. So if you're tired of putting out so much more different content for all these platforms, simply what you can do is post a 15-second video on TikTok and then have that just migrated over, and then you'll also have a Facebook story and an Instagram story. So definitely click the link below, get the free class, and I hope to see you on TikTok. Thanks.